Hello, I am sitting here in a place of gratitude at the end of an amazing retreat that has been done here in July 2021 in Conifer with Amanda and Rochelle and some other amazing women. I have been a student of Amanda's for a while now. My name is Bryony, and today was an experience that has been life-changing. I learnt lots of amazing ways to connect to other people and to nature, and I am thrilled to be a part of this supportive community where there is an openness and awareness of different things that happen in our lives. Pain, disease, all these different things, but yet we can come together and feel very supported and very safe and very empowered. So it has been amazing for me to be a part of this experience with Amanda and Rochelle and the other lovely ladies that were here today. And I mean, in this location, you couldn't really ask for more. So I just want to thank you so much for providing this space and for having us all here, and I look forward to the next one.